Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. It is Saturday, January 25th. We are in Mt Baldy, California. Roughly Shin Road and Mountain Avenue, where the homes start. You can see to our right, they've got K-rails because of potential rains that are coming tonight and in the future because of the fires that were here in September. The fires burned right up to these hills, right down to the bottom of the road, as you can see. We will take a little tour up here a little ways and see how far the K-rails go up into the village area where they're worried about the most, because all these hills are bare. We'll let this car pass and then we'll go up. Let's go up. The cars are coming. We got an school up here to our right coming up. So all these hills above us were all burned all the way down to the road. Luckily they did not jump the road. We had firefighters down right here along the road fighting it, preventing it. I will be on storm watch up here and in surrounding areas because the rain's going to be coming. So I won't be able to go live up here, but I will do static recording when I'm up here. I will be careful. So, getting ready to enter into the village, Mt Baldy Village. We got a school right here. Pull in here real quick. Outdoor school. Fire burned right up to these trees, all the way up to those hills in front of us. They burned down. I worked on several of these homes up here. The masonry work, the rock work. Little cabin to our right I helped build. So all these hills to our left burned completely. This is Mt Baldy Village. Great food here at Mt Baldy Lodge restaurant. Cocktails, cabins. Fire burned all the way down up to these. It burned some homes back in here, up in the further part, up some of these little side roads. I should take this. It did not jump the road, thankfully. 32 degrees now. So you can see right where the fire burned.